Asuntosyköyhtiö Päivälän Laakso.
This is very interesting because this essentially Vaihdekatu 4 was finished only in 2005, but it's got the earlier type of Schindler smart here, but inside it's these newer buttons, but
No, they are not newer, but they were both used in the box models.
Yeah, oh, that's right. But I haven't seen those arrows before.
Yeah.
That's quite unusual, and the different semi-segment indicators.
Yeah, but it's not in use, unfortunately. But I have seen in use also some.
But this is important in this
Yes,
instruments. Here in Ahjo, Kerava, modernized Finland, and 3 or 4 is 3 is the top one.
Yeah.
The race. In 2005, but
Yeah.
it feels like it was late, but
Yeah, the elevator is from late 2004, I think.
yeah.
But the newest Schindler Giorgio 1 elevator is in Sporttikuja Zymin Herttonimi. The Finnish Elevators 03 has filmed it. It's from 2005 and serial number is 2022 and this 1852. So this it's still
1852.
yeah,
Okay. Interesting.
but still interesting.
Because it has a small, also the small semi-segment indicator,
Yeah.
smaller than the other on the others
Yeah.
that we have filmed mostly.
Mm.
But I have filmed in Vaihdekatu or Vaihdekatu, also one that's from 2003.
Yeah.
But it had the same outside it's this, inside it's something.
Mm.
But I don't think it had a small indicator.
Yeah.
So this is not the completely latest one,
Yeah.
but still delayed.
Inspected by maintained by Cone.
Will be inspected in 2025.
But I think not delayed because this model is still available, but most fillings choose the 002 still, but because it was a newer model, so they wanted the newest one.
So this was still available parallel to the other.
Yeah.
But it was a rare choice then.
Yeah. That's
Thank you very much for watching.